Alright, another update on the Miata. We got the, I forgot what it's called. The PTS, powertrain system, or powertrain rail off finally. These stupid Miata castle nuts, I think that's what they're called, castle nuts. They were all stripped and it would just free spin, so I had to cut them off. We may not end up using this anyways. If we do, I just gotta buy some new nuts. But if we do use it, we use it. If not, I can get this adapter that makes a mount for the tranny and a mount for the diff under the car to the frame. The gear oil came in today, which is awesome. But also this gear oil is supposed to have some bushings come in with it too, and it never did. So we're going to drain this, take off the pumpkin, make sure the teeth are good. Probably going to wash this down real good. But yeah, the mounts that go right here, we're going to have to either, I'll take them to my father-in-law's, I'm going to pressed out, put some new ones in here, nice and pretty. Maybe just go ahead and paint this too. I mean, it's not, I don't know what kind of metal this is, but it's kind of oxidized. We'll clean it up. Probably paint it black with the rest of the thing under here, make it look all clean. And yeah, we'll get on to it. Let me get a wrench real quick and we'll start draining this, and I'll cut back to it here in a minute.
If you were down, man.
Dude, that's like brand spanking new.
Looks like Kaneki.
Like, dude, it's brand new. I didn't even have to take this thing apart. Well, no, it didn't have any.
Gasket.
No gasket was leaking. Sweet.
Somebody saw them with the gasket, or?
I think it disintegrated because look, you can see some in here. Mint. Kind of mint. Not really mint. Yeah, here's the gasket right here. On the outside. It's like they put it in and then they just. They're like, oh, I forgot to put a seal in. Let me gasket this real quick. Yeah, progress. Looks clean though. This over here. It's like freaking honey, dude. It's like, of course we're gonna still take it, but that's clean. I don't see anything. A little sludge at the bottom. The magnet did have some material on it, but that's to be seen in a manual diff or any diff probably. Teeth look excellent. Sound excellent. Don't smell excellent, but they look good. It's got a posi in it, dude. Or a limited slip. How come this 1990 Miata has a limited slip, but the freaking green car is an open diff? Dude. Screw it, I'll plant this in the green car. Think that'll work?
Torque it like within the first RPM.
Snap it. Alright, we'll go and clean this up. And
It's like 500 RPM.
just snaps it. We'll go ahead and clean this up, probably paint it, get all this ugly fluid out. Go from there. It's looking good though. This is a good sign. This is extremely good. There's no, it's definitely sat. That hasn't been abused. I'm happy. It's a good sign. No diff replacement. Alright. Yeah, that's about it for now. I didn't know we had to take these out because I'm an idiot, but that's why it was stuck. Got it figured out with a little bit of Google. Then yeah, we'll go from there. We'll get this all cleaned up and painted, and I'll cut it for now and go from there.
And if you're out, if you were down, man.
We got her all cleaned up pretty good. Don't see anything wrong with it. We'll get some new seals for it. Go from there. Rear diff's ready. I'm probably going to go ahead and silicone it. Put it back in. Clean up this side real quick. Which doesn't have much to clean, so we're good on that. Yeah, I'm impressed. Put it all back together. I'll take it to my father-in-law's. We'll get those new bushings pressed in and be able to slap her in. Let's get her going. Alrighty guys, it's been 2 days now and the bushings have still not shown up, so I'm gonna go ahead and just end the video on this one, and then we'll just do another episode of us putting the calipers and the diff in whenever it shows up. It's kind of funny because I ordered this radiator like last weekend and it's already here, but the bushings that I ordered and the brake calipers I ordered a month ago are still nowhere to be found yet. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying what's going on, the progress that we've made. we're that much closer to putting it back on the ground, which is super, super exciting. I mean, I just appreciate it, guys. It's something I've always wanted to do, kind of like record the progress of, something that you do, It doesn't have to be cars, but like, this is something I'm pretty passionate about. I mean, I built this car and painted the car with my father and my uncle, then painted it again in this garage, with a Harbor Freight paint gun, nothing crazy. And I mean, it's something I can go, hey, I did this. And I did it because I wanted to do it. I wanted to paint it green. I wanted to LS swap it. I wanted to do this. Like, you can do anything you put your mind to. And let's let that sink in for sure. It doesn't have to be vehicles. If you wanted to be a professional farmer or a freaking, I don't know, professional lawn care, you can, anything you put your mind to, you can do. Just don't give up, to see the progress that I've done on this. I mean, it's incredible. Like, I'm not saying, oh my gosh, he just built a Ferrari. No, I mean, I've never worked on a Miata before, and I've gotten so much done, and I'm not even close to finishing. And just like this, I built this thing from the ground up. This thing used to be baby blue and like disgusting. And 7 years, 8 years now. Let's see, got in high school. Let's see, I'm 25. Yeah, like I've had this car for like 9 years. That's a long time. I can't get rid of it. There's no way I'll ever get rid of it. I say someday, oh, the transmission blew up. I just want to sell it. I say that, but I look at this every day and go, I did this, or my wife helped me paint this. My father helped me do a motor swap. My uncle painted it for me on my 18th birthday. It's got so many memories, and it's everything that me and my family and friends have done. My boss helped me with rims and tires. My boss helped me with exhaust. My father-in-law helped me with exhaust. So much stuff, dude. And you just gotta find your niche, You gotta find something you're passionate about and just do it. I've always wanted to record, not to like, what's the word? Kind of like, oh, look at this, look what I have, but just kind of like, look what I did, and look what you can do too. I don't have a mechanic degree. I just learned under a tree with my father-in-law, and my father and my uncle and all my friends. I have so many friends that have different traits, and I've learned so much from them. And now I'm putting it to this. You can do anything you guys want to do, Just keep that in mind. You guys, I hope you're enjoying it. If you want to continue, hit that subscribe button, and I'll keep them coming as much as I can. If you don't, then, it's fine. If it's not something you're interested in, don't worry about it, I'm not doing this for the fame. I want to do this to show you can do this. You can put anything, or you can create anything if you just put your mind to it. And that's all I got to go, I guess hope you guys have the rest of a good day, or have a good day. I can't talk. I'm tired. Waited 2 months, or not 2 months, 2 days. See, I'm still tired. On bushings. Freaking polyurethane bushings. So, until then, I guess we're going to have to wait and find some other things to do. And there's plenty of things to do on this. I'm going to do a somewhat of a background, because we're already like 8 years ahead of this car. I'm going to try and do the best I can to just tell the story of this car as to the best I can. I can't talk. I'm tired. Yeah, no more talking. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm mumbling now, tired. You guys have a good night or morning or whatever time it is where you're watching this. Just enjoy life and find your niche. Find something that you want to do with your life, and just don't give up. Just learn in patience. That's key. You guys have a good day.